Assalamualaikum. If you follow me on Instagram, you probably saw my story in which I said that due to heavy downpour, I have moved out of my house for the time being and have shifted to a hotel. And I said that I won't be sharing any recipes, and that is why you might be wondering, what's this? Ye kya hai? And so I have ordered a margarita pizza. मैंने margarita pizza on flatbread order kiya hai, and let's have a look at it. It smells amazing. So good. It's like you can see the cheese and with the tomato sauce and the tomatoes and it's flatbread. It looks so good. I'm ready to dig in. And along with that, they've given chili flakes and ketchup and napkin. I want to dig in already. Let's pick the slice up. Oh my god, look at the cheese. Yummy, yummy cheese. Okay. It is amazing. Simply amazing. You can taste the tomato sauce, the cheese melts right into your mouth, the bread is super soft, the crust is really crispy, and I'm loving it. So I'm just going to enjoy this, and you guys keep on watching, turn the bell icon on so you know when I post new videos. Please like, subscribe, and share this video. Go follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter. Bye!